Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for stopping by Not Your Father's Capital. I appreciate you all, and I want to share with you some more XRP content because there are some very exciting people talking about XRP. All right, but that is not what I want to get into in this video. There is basically a crypto analyst coming out with an extreme bullish condition. And this prediction I want to share with you. I do not want to abide by it. I think it's a little too bullish, a little too many zeros for me, a little too exponential in terms of growth. But as it relates to XRP, I do actually believe that the correlating principles that this prediction is based upon are actually relevant for us as XRP enthusiasts. Okay, so I'm going to just share with you those principles, and you can take with that information what you may. But I just wanted to put it all in perspective and tie it together with what XRP is doing right here, right now. So if you have not already done so, please absolutely smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot for us here at Not Your Father's Capital to have you aboard, part of the team, and let's get down into it. All right. So when we talk further, this is not financial advice. Let me preface this by saying, please do your own research, your own due diligence with all things crypto, all things financial. But let's talk about it, guys. So what actually is happening is since XRP has basically been born, when it reaches the end of the bear market, right? Its bear market, I should say, it registers multiple closes above the Gaussian channel. Now, I'm going to explain a little bit what this Gaussian channel actually means. But according to XRP, which is a prominent market watcher, basically is calling for XRP to have a 30,000% pump, or 300 times what it is currently at right now. Okay, so in terms of market capitalization, I think that's a little too outlandish, coming for a top 10 crypto to have a 300x in the foreseeable future. Now, foreseeable is a very loosely thrown around term. Okay, but basically what we are seeing is, I don't really think right here, XRP being used as currency in countries worldwide. Yes, that's very great, very good. But 300x from where they are at right now is just a little too far-fetched for me and outlandish. So I don't really want to convey that to you guys. I do want to share, though, what this Gaussian channel is, because I think that historical data is relevant. Okay, so this is what I got as basically XRP is continuing to close above the Gaussian channel in multiple closes. Okay. And what happens is it basically dumps, and then it will pump, and that will signify the last dump before you see this pump. Okay. Now, obviously, what we are going through right now is some extreme market conditions in terms of the bear market, inflationary data, as well as a lot of regulation just weighing down and cramping down crypto style. All right, and especially within the case of XRP, the ongoing SEC lawsuit is something that's very, very crucial, and it's going to be a monumental shape the landscape in a monumental way as we get into further territory in this regulation process between commodity and security. Okay, so this is what a Gaussian channel is, though. It's basically used to analyze markets and identify trends in asset prices. Okay, so unlike the trend indicators that we see a lot of times on the charts that have a lag, basically Gaussian channels minimize the lag by using statistical calculations on historical price data. Okay, so that creates that channel around what the current price is doing right now. Now, I share with you guys a lot in my videos that when it comes to my own personal crypto trading, I do see a lot of algorithmic indicators that have some relevance. But in terms of trading basically on TA, I use it as a tiebreaker just due to the sole fact that the historical data up in this point in time, crypto, in my personal opinion, I think is just lacking. I think it's lacking a lot of data points and a lot of history that we can't just solely trade on it like you would in a traditional stock exchange. Okay, so he goes on further to point out that in 2017, XRP closed multiple times above that Gaussian channel before having a 30% dump later on in that year. Now, 120 days after the pump, okay, XRP embarked on a massive rally that saw it appreciate almost 30,000% from 2017 to 2018. Okay, so 30,000% back then, obviously whole different ball game. Multipliers need to be there was some crypto inflation separate from what we were seeing from monetary inflation, where adoption with crypto is huge. We saw back then where Ethereum, the price of Ethereum, the price of Bitcoin, okay, I think that was just kind of the beginning of the eventual bull run that we saw that launched crypto into all-time highs. But that's what we saw, and it basically saw this again in 2021. And what we're standing at right now is XRP looking to repeat this cycle. Now, if this correlates with external market conditions and factors weighing down or providing catalysts for certain cryptos, that is something else to be discussed. But according to XRP, He's calling for it right now, and basically we are seeing XRP taking a bigger dump that was observed back in 2021. And that is where we are seeing this 120 days from now, if we were to repeat the cycle, where we would see absolutely a surge coming out from XRP. So kind of correlating, though, it's funny to actually mention it's correlating with the legal proceeding and how we could possibly get a pro-favorable outcome, and kind of how these Gaussian channel trends where we're seeing XRP trade above, it's kind of correlating with basically where we're at right now in the timeline of XRP. If we would see a rally around the time where we could get that outcome and see it actually kind of factor into the price down the road. So interesting territory XRP is trading in. That's kind of where we're at right now. We're just in this holding pattern, but boy, would it be nice for XRP to repeat the cycle back in 2017 and 2020 and see a 30,000% surge. However, I'm just more of a realist. I do not think that is the case for right here. Just remember, though, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto, all things financial. Just providing you guys my own personal thoughts as it relates to XRP and my wallet. Okay, so I thank you all for stopping out and checking out this video. If you can, absolutely, if you have not done so, subscribe to the channel on your way out, and I appreciate you all, and we'll see you in the next one.